In this one, we are going to take a look at how you can cluster your keywords. So the whole concept behind clustering your keywords is that at the moment, if you look at our keyword research master spreadsheet, there is literally tons and tons of keywords, like over 1,000 different keywords in total, as you can see down here. Now, this isn't actually that helpful for us if we leave it like this, as when it comes to creating content for our website, how do we know what to write about, as there's so many different topics here? So this is where keyword clustering comes into play. It allows you to essentially group similar keywords together, so when it comes to the next step of SEO, of writing your content, it's going to be so much more easier and save you so much time. If you take your mind back to the previous video when we was looking at the keywords in Google Keyword Planner, you would have saw we had an option on the right hand side called Refine Keywords. If you click this option, we should get it opened up again. We had pretty much a breakdown of the different types of keywords. So these are essentially your keyword clusters. I used to refer to these as keyword themes back in the day. However, they both mean exactly the same thing, but pretty much what you want to do is add some filters to your keywords to try and cluster them and make your keyword sheet more organized. So as we can see, the first keyword cluster we can see is portable. So what I'm going to do is go back to my keyword sheet, which, by the way, don't worry, I am going to include a link to this in the resources. I'm going to click this icon right here and filter by condition and text contains, and enter in the word portable, as that is a key cluster I want to find keywords for. Then click OK. And now you can see all the keywords are related to portable table saws. We've got best portable table saw, best portable table saw for home use, best portable table saw 2020, 2021. Don't worry about the year, as typically when you see things like this, what it basically means is this is the keyword, best portable table saw. However, a lot of people tend to add the year to the search just to try and get more accurate results, but pretty much all the keywords here are all related to portable saws. So what I want to do now is copy all of these keywords onto a dedicated tab, which is going to be home to our first keyword cluster. Let's go ahead and copy all of these keywords like so, and we'll do Control C, go to tab 1 and then paste them in. And now I know tab 1 is all related to the portable keyword cluster. I'm simply going to right click, rename, and call this portable. Now we have a nice organized tab, all of our portable keywords. Let's go back to our master sheet and see if we can find another keyword theme. So let's go ahead and delete the word portable and go ahead and click OK. Again, you can just actually go through this manually one by one and try and spot any themes. Although, like I said, Google has done a lot of the heavy lifting for us and already listed out a lot of keyword clusters. Let's go ahead and go for the next one, cabinet. So I'll go back to the keyword sheet, go to the filter again, filter by condition, text contains, and then in value, I'll put in the word cabinet. Click OK, and here we have all of our cabinet related keywords. Let's go ahead and copy that, and I'll put that on tab 2. Now we know this is about cabinets. Simply going to do exactly the same thing, rename that to the word cabinet. And it's pretty much a rinse and repeat process. Unfortunately, there is no fast way to do this when you are using Google Keyword Planner as your main source for keyword research. Remember, as I said in the last video, this is a free tool, so there is a little bit of manual work we need to do. However, if you're running on a budget, it is a very, very good solution. So pretty much go through all of the keywords, go through all of the different keyword clusters, start to categorize your keywords, and get your keyword master sheet looking nice and tidy. Now, what you're going to realize is as you go through these different tabs and different clusters, you're going to see some keywords that potentially could be included on another tab. For example, on the cabinet tab, we can see this keyword right here, portable table saw for cabinet making. So should we have this keyword in the cabinet cluster, or should we have it in the portable keyword cluster? And the answer to this is it should be included on the portable tab. The reason how I know this is because if you look at the keyword intent, portable table saw for cabinet making. So this person is specifically looking for a portable table saw that they can use for cabinet making. Whereas there's different types of keywords related to cabinet making, such as top cabinet saws. That's completely different to a portable cabinet saw. So it all comes down to keyword intent. So what you also want to do once you've clustered your keywords is to simply go through them one by one and just make sure they are definitely a good fit for the cluster they are in. Once you've created all of your clusters, you could have 20 tabs, even 50 tabs. There is no limit on how many tabs you can have. The main focus here is to make sure we have similar keywords on a similar tab. That brings us to the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one.